Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha Paryani. In this session, we are going to discuss about the definition of a person as per section 2 subsection 31 of Income Tax Act 1961. In the previous session, we have already discussed about the introduction of income tax. So you can watch the previous video by getting the link in the description box below, or you will get its link at the end of this video. So we will discuss what is meant by a person as per the income tax law. So basically income tax law says that uh, any person who is earning an income and who is liable to pay taxes, the person who is liable to pay taxes will be considered as a person as per the income tax law. Okay, so we can say that the person as per IT law includes the following. So first, an individual, then next, a Hindu undivided family, and then a company, and fourth, a firm, fifth, an association of persons, we can say an AOP, association of persons, or body of individuals, AOP or BOI, body of individuals, or a local authority, and artificial judicial person. Yes. So all these types of persons who can earn an income and who are liable to pay taxes will be considered as the person as per our IT law. So we will discuss them one by one. Okay. First, let us discuss about an individual. Okay, so an individual is just a normal person who is earning income. Okay, now this person could be a male or it could be a female. Male or female are treated equal as per our IT law. Okay, then so the person is classified, now individual is classified into three age groups, we can say, right? So first age group is minors. So we all know, so persons less than 18 years of age, less than 18 years of age or below the age of 18 years are treated as minors. Then we can say major. So person more than 18 years but less than 60 years. So we can say from the age 18 to 59, the persons falling under this age between 18 to 59 will be treated as a major. And then we have senior citizen. The persons who are of 60 years and above. The person whose age is 60 years and above will be treated as a senior citizen. Okay, an individual earning income and is liable to pay tax will be treated as an individual. It could be male or a female, and the person is treated, an individual is treated into three age groups as per IT law: minors who are less than 18 years of age, majors who are between 18 to 59 years of age, and senior citizens who are above 60 or above 60 years of age. Next, let us discuss about an Hindu undivided family business. So this type of business is majorly seen in India. So these are the type of businesses which are carried by a whole family. So it will include grandfathers, father, Okay, then brothers, unmarried sisters or daughters. Okay, and wives. So all these persons will be included in an Hindu undivided family. So the family members of a same family will conduct this business, and the head of this type of business will be called as karta. So he is the karta. He is the head of such type of business. So an Hindu undivided family is also part of a definition of a person as per our Income Tax Act. Third category of person as per IT Act is a company. So a company doing business in India or in other countries will be considered as a person. So the company could be an Indian company or it could be a foreign company. Okay, and if it is an Indian company, it could be a private company or it could be public company. So any of the company who is earning an income and is liable to pay tax will be treated as a person. It could be an Indian or it could be a foreign company or it could be a MNC, right? So, and if it is an Indian company or an MNC, it could be private, it could be as per private sector also or as per public sector also. All of these will be treated as company as per IT Act. And the next category of person is a firm. So a firm is a business which is owned and managed by the individuals. Now a firm could be a sole proprietary firm, or it could be a partnership firm. So sole proprietary firm is nothing but the business which is owned and managed by a single owner. So there is a single owner for such type of business. Okay, and partnership firm refers to a business which is owned and managed by two or more owners. So the two or more owners of a business, we call them as a partners. And the persons who are managing such business will be called as a partnership firm. Now again, partnership firm could be, there are two types of partnership firms. So one is partnership firm with unlimited liability. And there are also some type of partnership firms with limited liability. So we can call them as limited liability partnership firm, LLPs. Okay, so I will tell you, unlimited liability businesses means, so in this type of business, all the partners, no matter how many are the partners, suppose there are three partners in a business. So all the three partners will have unlimited liability towards the business. Okay, so suppose business is facing loss of rupees 1 crore. Okay, and the capital contributed or the profit sharing ratio is something else. Profit sharing ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 3, suppose. But what will happen in the at the time of losses, suppose the firm is facing 1 crore losses, all the three partners are liable to face this losses. Okay, the loss could be 1 crore, it could be 10 crore, it could be less or more. So whatever the loss is, all the partners are liable to face the loss or to meet the expenses of the business. Okay, but what happens in case of limited liability business, limited liability partnership firms are slightly different. So here, if the partner is contributing the capital of rupees 2 lakh, so his liability towards losses will be only limited to rupees 2 lakh. Suppose there is a 1 crore rupees loss in the business, but in limited liability partnership firm, one of the partner contributed 2 lakh rupees. So he will face the loss or he will meet the expenses or the liabilities of the firm of only rupees 2 lakh. So anybody do not have any right of asking more than 2 lakh rupees from such partner. So both the type of partnership firm, it could be unlimited liability partnership firm or it could be an LLP, limited liability partnership firm. So both of them will be considered as a firm as per the Income Tax Act 1961. And next category of person is association of persons, that is AOP, or we can say body of individuals, that is BOI. So association of persons. So association in the is nothing but combining, coming together, associate, right? So association of person is nothing but it is a group of people, we can say. Group of people who have decided to carry on a business and their business comes under the tax liability. So such businesses we call them as association of persons, nothing but group of people. But we need to remember AOP is an voluntarily created group, or we can say group created by volunteers. This group is voluntarily created out of the own interest of the people. So then we can call it as an AOP. BOI, that is body of individuals, is also a group of people. But this group is created by the law. Okay, it is created by operation of law. So by the order or as per the directions or instructions of law, such a type of groups are created to carry on some type of business. And if their business falls under the tax liability, they will be included in the definition of persons as per the IT Act. Next, we have local authority. So local authority are the officers, or you can say the departments or the businesses set up by the government in the city. So we have many local authorities of government in the city, in every city. Like examples are Gram Panchayat, or we can say municipal corporation, municipal corporations. Then we can say our public works departments. Okay, so these are the offices or the departments set up by the government, and if they are conducting any business and if they fall under the tax liability, they will also be considered as the person. And at last, we have artificial judicial person. We can call them as AJPs. So AJPs are the nothing but the persons other than any of the above categories. The persons which do not come under any of the above categories will be treated as artificial judicial person. Examples we can say hospitals, we can say schools or colleges, or we can say temples, charity organizations, etc. So all these institutes which do not come under any of the above categories will come under artificial judicial persons. So all the businesses who are liable to pay taxes are considered as persons as per the Income Tax Act. Okay, this was all about today. In my upcoming session, we will discuss about the next topic, that is definitions, other definitions as per our Income Tax Act. Okay, I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel, share video with your friends. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next one.